Hi guys. As you can see, yung speaker natin dito sa... Wait lang, let me just put this back quickly. This is the speaker of our Cardo Bold. I've had this set for 3 years. I think it's 3 years already since I have this. The problem with the Shoei is, if you notice, if you put this on, the speakers are here. And with if you put on wait lang, the pads, if you notice, the speakers are very exposed. Can you see ba? Can you see? They're very exposed. They don't have a cushion here or a cover here. Compared to Arai, remember the Arai, you have to put the speaker inside this, so it's always protected. This one, it's always exposed. That is why it has a tendency that your sweat will, or your ears are always going to be touching, there, it's disintegrating. It's always going to be touching the speaker, which means it's always going to be prone to sweat and all those. So now, we have the option to buy the Cardo. Let's just peel off all this foam. You have the option to buy the Cardo refresh kit. It comes with new foams lang, no speaker, new foam for the mic, for the speaker, and then I think even the cradle, para pati yung glue niya is all new. But but when I was researching, this size is the same size as ng mga headphones. So I went and looked at Lazada. Where was that? There. I came upon this, the 40 replacement earphone. Tama? Replacement earphone pad, whatever. So, according to the specs, this is a 40mm. The 45mm is the one that comes with the black. This is the bold, so it's 40mm. So I went ahead and ordered the 40mm. Oh, this looks small though. Well, it is 40mm, pero I hope this fits. Let's put them on. $40mm. Oh, I think it fits. There you go. Yeah. It's a little tight. Oh, but it fits. There you go. There. 40mm earphone pads. And best of all, I only spent 42 pesos per pair. There. By the way, it's 42 pesos for 6 pieces. So I now have so much foam here. Let's put it back in. There you go. There. New speaker phone already. 42 pesos. What more can you ask for? There you go. I'll put the link of this ad so you guys can buy if you guys need them. I'll just do the other side. Okay, thank you.